Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your entire network connection if you're having problems with your internet. So keep in mind that once you initiate this reset, you will need to restart your computer. And if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you will need to have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby because once you restart your computer, you will need to enter back in your credentials. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you want to do first is right click on the Windows Start button and you want to select the settings. And on the left side, you want to select Network and Internet. On the right side, scroll down underneath Advanced Network Settings and go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down again. Underneath More Settings, select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Go ahead and open that up. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Go ahead and select Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select Yes. And you can also search for Network Reset 2 in the search menu as well if you're not finding it this direction. So you might have to just search for Network Reset and it would open up this page. So we're about to be signed out, so close and save out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.